Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use quick forms effectively. Quick forms are designed to simplify data entry, making processes faster and more accurate. They help you complete necessary information with minimal effort, saving valuable time. We'll cover the essential steps to master this efficient method, ensuring your submissions are always correct and timely. Before you begin, gather all the necessary information. This includes any personal details, financial figures like a $500 payment, or specific codes you might need. Having everything ready prevents interruptions and ensures accuracy. Once prepared, navigate to the Quick Forms designated access point, whether it's a website or an application, to start the process smoothly. When entering data, leverage any autofill options available for common fields such as your name or address. For numerical inputs, like a 25% discount or a quantity of 16 items, always double-check for accuracy. Use drop-down menus and radio buttons to select options efficiently, rather than typing. This approach significantly speeds up completion and reduces the chance of typos. Before final submission, take a moment to thoroughly review every field. Check for any missing information or potential errors, especially in critical sections like a Form 1099. Ensure all mandatory fields are marked as complete. Once you are confident everything is correct, proceed to submit the form. Remember to save any confirmation number or receipt for your records.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.